Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining Archangel Alts. We're going to give you a tried and true trades update. So this was our positions that we're working on in C and D, and this is just kind of showing you where we decided to get in. And here's our trying to sell at 319. So you can see that that's the order right there. And when I'm not doing the live stream and I'm in the middle of other work, but I have my trading going on, and I'm like, I need to go ahead and get into this position. Don't have time to get to the live stream, but I want to give you an update anyway. So I tried to grab some screenshots and show you, just the progression. There's the position up there. You can see I'm trying to sell at 319, and here it is getting closer. Exciting. And was this out of order? Possibly so. Not really all that important, but anyway, you saw the 319 getting there, and here's us getting in at 315 and getting out at 319. So we went beyond our percentage that we're needing to get, and I can show you that in our percentage increase calculator. If I got in at 315 and I'm trying to hit 0.3 to 0.5% on these very small, very quick trades as best I can, then I would calculate that, and I really only needed to hit 317-ish to hit 0.7. So if I did, let's say 1%, still actually better than 1%. So it's about 1.25%, pretty nice. So there's the update on that. And please come and join us for our trading live without a net. And as we're doing our soft launch, we're sharing a lot more than we will normally once we have the paid membership group. Please come and join us on YouTube for live trading. Trying to get it in every day, sometimes more than one time a day. And we're not, just kind of filling in time with fluff. We're actually trying to get in on trades and talking it through so you can see what it is that I'm doing, and you will learn the skills that help you to develop your own process and following our tried and true process. So, we'll help you to figure out, things like budgeting and setting the size of your trades, how often you're trying to do things, what percentages you're going for, all the different things that we've had to decide for ourselves. We're not going to dictate and mandate that everybody do it exactly the same way that we do, but it certainly is a key to success. So hindsight is 2020, but planning and estimating and looking towards the future and trying to avoid getting stuck in anything certainly is something that we can all learn to improve upon, because that's what's happened for us. Although our first run was 1,170 trades before we hit our first loss, and by loss we mean we zeroed out the trade because we saw that we were going to get stuck if we didn't. So not a bad track record. 98.7% accuracy. Not looking to brag at all. I think that would be a bad idea, but just trying to use wisdom to look for trades that are not going to get a person stuck. And also, just a side note, it is February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. As one of our friends would say, Happy Valentine's Day Massacre. I would prefer the prior to the latter. It's coming up on 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on February 14th, 2019. And I'm going to get to some news. I'm going to get to, I believe, another tried and true trade update. This one I'm catching up from, I believe, a day and a half ago. So I'm going to bring a lot of content to you today and bring some live trades. All right, God bless you guys. Looking forward to see you again soon. And this is Tried and True Trading out.